Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. We all have energy. It's a fundamental part of who we are. Just like we clean our homes and our bodies, we need to cleanse our energy. It's essential for our well-being. Think of it as spring cleaning for your soul. When we clear away negative energy, we make space for positive energy to flow. This can lead to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. It's about feeling lighter, brighter, and more aligned with our true selves. This journey starts with understanding what negative energy is and where it comes from. Then we can explore practical ways to release it and invite positivity into our lives. Are you ready to begin? What it is and how it affects you. Negative energy can manifest in many ways. It can be a feeling, a thought, or even a physical sensation. Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly drained? That's negative energy at play. It can stem from our own thoughts and emotions, like stress, fear, and anger. It can also come from external sources such as other people, challenging situations, or even physical environments. These negative energies can cling to us, weighing us down and blocking our joy. The effects of negative energy can be significant. Emotionally, it can lead to anxiety, depression, and a lack of motivation. Physically, it can manifest as fatigue, headaches, and even digestive issues. Recognizing these signs is the first step to reclaiming your energy and well-being. Your inner sanctuary. Mindfulness is about being fully present in this moment. It's about immersing yourself in the here and now, allowing yourself to experience life as it unfolds without distraction or preoccupation. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This means noticing what arises in our minds and hearts, acknowledging them, and letting them pass without getting caught up in them. This practice is a powerful tool for cleansing negative energy and cultivating inner peace. By regularly engaging in mindfulness, we can create a sanctuary within ourselves, a place of calm and clarity amidst the chaos of daily life. Meditation is a wonderful way to practice mindfulness. It allows us to slow down, to breathe, and to connect with our inner selves on a deeper level. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, the rise and fall of your chest, and the rhythm of your breathing. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and let them go. Imagine them as clouds passing by in the sky, coming and going without holding on to them. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a world of difference. It can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Grounding is another powerful technique. It involves connecting with the earth, feeling its energy, and allowing it to stabilize and balance you. Stand barefoot on the earth, feeling the connection between your feet and the ground. Notice the texture of the grass or soil beneath you, the temperature, and the sensation of being supported by the earth. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the earth's energy. Visualize these roots extending deep into the ground, drawing up nourishment and strength. This practice can help you feel centered and grounded. It can bring a sense of stability and calm, helping you to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Visualization is another valuable tool. It involves using the power of your mind to create positive images and scenarios that can influence your emotional and physical state. Close your eyes and imagine a bright white light surrounding you. This light represents pure positive energy, a source of healing and protection. This light represents pure positive energy. Visualize it enveloping you, filling every part of your being with warmth and light. Feel it cleansing your body, mind, and spirit, washing away any negativity. Imagine this light dissolving any stress, tension, or negative emotions, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can create a sanctuary within yourself, a place where you can retreat to find peace, clarity, and strength. Take time each day to connect with your inner sanctuary. Whether through mindfulness, meditation, grounding, or visualization, these practices can help you cultivate a deeper sense of well-being and inner peace. Remember, your inner sanctuary is always within reach. No matter where you are or what you are going through, you can always return to this place of calm and clarity. Embrace these moments of stillness and reflection. They are gifts you give to yourself, moments that nourish your soul and rejuvenate your spirit. Your inner sanctuary is a source of strength and serenity. Nurture it, cherish it, and let it be a guiding light in your life. As you go about your day, carry the peace of your inner sanctuary with you. Let it be a reminder that you have the power to create calm and clarity within yourself, no matter what life brings your way. Cleansing your space, clearing your energy. Our physical spaces can hold on to energy, both positive and negative. Cleansing your home or workspace can create a more harmonious and uplifting environment. It's like hitting the reset button on your surroundings. Burning sage is an ancient practice for clearing negative energy. Light a sage bundle, let it smolder, and walk around your space, allowing the smoke to waft into every corner. As you do this, set the intention to clear away any negativity. Salt is another powerful cleanser. Place bowls of salt in the corners of your rooms to absorb negative energy. You can also sprinkle salt around your home, visualizing it neutralizing any negativity. Crystals are known for their energetic properties. Black tourmaline is especially helpful for absorbing negative energy. Place a piece of black tourmaline near your front door to protect your home from negativity. Changing your inner dialogue. Our thoughts have incredible power. They are the silent architects of our reality, shaping the way we perceive the world and ourselves. They shape our beliefs, our emotions, and our experiences. Every thought we entertain has the potential to influence our mood and our actions. Positive self-talk is about consciously choosing thoughts that empower and uplift us. It's a practice that requires mindfulness and intention. Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. Pay attention to the words you use when you talk to yourself. Are your thoughts mostly positive or negative? Do they encourage you or hold you back? If you notice a pattern of negative self-talk, gently challenge those thoughts. Question their validity and their origin. Ask yourself if they are truly serving you. Are these thoughts helping you grow, or are they keeping you stuck? Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. This isn't about ignoring reality, but about choosing a perspective that supports your well-being. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, such as I am worthy, I am capable, or I am loved. These statements can help to build a foundation of self-belief. Repeating these affirmations with conviction can help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Over time, they can become a natural part of your thought process. Journaling is a powerful tool for processing emotions and shifting your mindset. It allows you to explore your thoughts and feelings in a safe space. Take some time each day to write down your thoughts and feelings. This practice can help you gain clarity and perspective. Don't censor yourself, just let it flow. Allow your thoughts to spill onto the page without judgment. As you release negative thoughts onto paper, you create space for more positivity. This act of letting go can be incredibly liberating. Remember, changing your inner dialogue is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you cultivate a more positive mindset. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each positive thought is a step towards a more fulfilling and joyful life. Embrace the power of your thoughts and use them to create the life you desire. You have the ability to transform your inner world. With practice and persistence, you can change your inner dialogue and, in turn, change your life. Start today and watch the transformation unfold. Finding healing in the great outdoors. Nature is a powerful healer. It has an incredible ability to soothe our minds, bodies, and souls. The tranquility of a forest, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the chirping of birds can transport us to a place of peace and calm. Spending time in nature can help us to feel more grounded, centered, and connected to something larger than ourselves. Whether it's a quiet moment of meditation in a forest clearing or a vigorous hike along a forest trail, nature offers us a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a wonderful way to release negative energy and recharge our batteries. Imagine sitting on a grassy hilltop, feeling the gentle breeze on your face, or sitting quietly by a stream, listening to the soothing sound of flowing water. These moments allow us to let go of stress and find inner peace. Take a walk in the park, sit by the ocean, or explore a nearby nature reserve. Each of these activities can provide a unique form of healing. Walking through a park, you can observe the beauty of blooming flowers and the vibrant colors of the changing seasons. Sitting by the ocean, you can feel the rhythmic ebb and flow of the waves, which can be incredibly calming, or simply spend some time in your backyard. Gardening, for instance, can be a therapeutic activity. The act of planting, nurturing, and watching your plants grow can bring a sense of accomplishment and joy. Sitting on a porch surrounded by plants can also provide a peaceful retreat. As you connect with nature, notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. The rustling of leaves in the wind, the scent of flowers in bloom, and the chirping of birds can all enhance your sensory experience and deepen your connection to the natural world. Feel the sun on your skin and the wind in your hair. These simple sensations can remind us of our connection to the earth and the natural rhythms of life. The warmth of the sun can be invigorating, while the cool breeze can be refreshing. Earthing or grounding is especially beneficial. This practice involves making direct contact with the Earth's surface, which can help to balance our energy and improve our overall well-being. Walk barefoot on the grass, feeling the cool, dewy blades beneath your feet. This simple act can help to ground you and bring a sense of calm and stability. Or walk on sand, feeling the grains shift beneath your toes, or on soil, feeling the Earth's texture and temperature. Each surface offers a unique sensory experience that can help to connect you more deeply with the natural world. This practice helps to neutralize negative energy and restore balance to your body. Sitting cross-legged on the grass or standing with your arms raised to the sky can enhance this connection and promote a sense of harmony and well-being. As you spend time in nature, visualize any negative energy leaving your body and returning to the earth to be transmuted. Imagine the earth absorbing this energy and transforming it into something positive and healing. Feel yourself absorbing the earth's healing energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. Lying on the ground with your eyes closed, surrounded by nature, or sitting peacefully under a tree, you can tap into this powerful source of healing and rejuvenation. Embrace these moments and allow nature to work its magic on your mind, body, and soul. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.